Look at that. Oh, give me more of that, MIHOYO. Come on. All right, there is one thing about Genshin Impact that is extremely annoying, and I'm pretty sure that you're gonna be like, yeah, you're right. And it is when after you get bodied by your Shani, for example, you die. It's not so much a problem that you die, right? You just go and try again. That is not the problem. The problem is that you have to heal, dude. You have to heal, and sometimes you have to just revive your characters. Look, I don't really know if this happens to everybody, but this has happened to me. And it is that I'm playing, I'm in Dragon's Spine and everything. Something distracts me, and I forget for a little bit that I'm playing. And then when I come back to the game, I realize that all my characters are like dead because I was accumulating all the coal in the world. And it's so annoying, dude, because when you have like two characters that are at least dead, you have to waste like 1 billion hours just to get them back. And dude, the healing, you have healing in this game, of course. You can't just wait like this and like, I don't know, alt tab and everything, go look at something else, go look at a small video or something. There's many things that you can probably do while you're waiting for your characters to replenish their health, right? But it's not that fast. And then there's a lot of cooldowns that you have to wait for. I'm sickened by this. And yes, I know you're gonna say, you know what, dude, you can also just heal with food and everything. You can get like 2 pieces of whatever food that recovers a lot of health and everything. It's annoying to get that as well because they have a lot of resources that you probably don't really have. You have to create them and everything, and maybe you have forgotten, like me, for example, that you can actually buy some of these ingredients and you just don't have enough, right? And also you want to use them for the damaged food and everything, right? So it's just kind of annoying. It's just kind of annoying. Which brings me to what's probably the best addition that MIHOYO has done without really thinking about it. It's amazing. I've become so used to this little trick that I can no longer imagine myself living without this. It's going to be such a pain in the ass to go back to the old days when I have to just wait, it's going to be awful, dude. And like right now, I don't really care that my characters are dying and everything. It doesn't matter, dude. You know what? Because we can do this magical, this best thing in the world. Just give me a second. Let me take us there, dude. This thing is something that MIHOYO has to implement for real. Like this has to be official, dude. I don't want this event to ever be gone, dude. Just leave it there. Leave it there, MIHOYO. Leave it there. Just look at this. Look at this. Low health. They look like all my party characters are dead. So yeah, I'm back. I had something to do. Like right now, for example, that was a good example of when you get distracted, right? And hopefully, fortunately, I wasn't doing something weird or anything that was gonna get me killed. But right now, it doesn't really matter because this magical event is on, dude. I just pick my characters and everything, everybody that is dead, and I just come in and I have full health. All characters are revived. I have full health. And you know what's the best part about it? All my freaking energy is being restored. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, give me more of that, MIHOYO. Come on. And now that we have all of our stuff, we can just simply leave this place and go back to do whatever we were doing, dude. It's amazing. It's absolutely amazing doing this. Being able to do this is like life-changing, dude. It would be like literally one of the best things that MIHOYO could actually do to like solve one little problem that a lot of people could possibly have. Like I understand, dude. You're a whale, you never die, you one-shot everything, but the majority of the people actually die sometimes when they are playing anything, right? So people get distracted, as I said, maybe some urgency or something just came out. And the problem is when you have like 1 billion characters that are dead and everything, you have to wait like 5 minutes for every single one of them. I know it's not 5 minutes. Calm down. But after all of that, after reviving, then you have to wait for the healing if you don't really want to use any of the foods and everything. Dude, it's so easy to simply go back. Also, you lose all of your energy, dude. You lose all of your energy, everything. If you have full ultimate, you're gonna lose it. So it's kind of a pain in the ass. It's kind of a pain in the ass. That's what I'm trying to say. And I'm pretty sure that you agree with me. It's kind of a pain in the ass. So it would be so nice if they created some kind of like, I don't know, a statue or something that revives your characters, full health, all of your energy is in there, and I don't know, something like this, right? So it would be absolutely amazing. It would be one of the best quality of life kind of changes that MIHOYO could possibly do. And the problem is that I'm now dreading that this event is going to be over. As I said, I got so used to this thing. Like, I get bodied by Oceanid, as I said, and then I'm just coming here back, and then I go back to just body him back. So, for real, MIHOYO, please, just give us something like this. Like some kind of like full recovery stuff. It's so nice to just go back to whatever you were doing like immediately. Of course, you maybe are going to waste a minute or two, maybe a little bit more if you are on PS4 or mobile, I get it. But the deal is that I think it's better for everybody to just have all of your ults back and do and try whatever you were trying to do without really coming back weaker. Because not having your ultimates is kind of a pain in the ass sometimes when you're trying to do something that you don't really have the strength to do as of right now, and you're trying to push through because you want the artifacts, because you want something in particular. Sometimes you don't really have all that much luck. For example, I'm free to play, and I got a Diluc, right? It was one of my first rolls, actually. So I have a little bit more of assets, I guess, but not everybody does. Some people really have like 0 5-star characters. So, well, one, because you have the adventurer, right? So once again, I was distracted. I'm telling you, this thing is happening all the time. So please, MIHOYO, hear my praise. You can even make it lore friendly, dude, if you want. MIHOYO, you're going to be able to make it. Come on, give us this. This is amazing, dude. I just want to be able to heal and get my ultimates back immediately. Thanks. So what do you think, guys? Do you agree with me? Do you think that we should actually get something like this to be kept forever, that we can just make our lives easier? Or do you think that we should suffer for our mistakes and just remain like this, doing the tedious part of reviving and everything and waiting? Because reviving, of course, has a timer and everything, right? That you cannot really use stuff to revive all of your characters immediately and everything. So yeah, what do you think? Do you believe this would be a nice change or not? So yeah, I'm just with G. I'll see you guys on the next one.